Hey, Dr. Ray here from Chiropractic Plus, and I know for a fact while you're watching this video, you're one of the many people suffering from headaches, neck pain, back pain, numbness and tingling in the arms, whether it's even neuropathy in the feet, and it's affecting your quality of life. But what if I told you that there was an innovative technology that could help you through this process? It's actually another resource that we provide, and I'm excited to share it with you. This innovative technology is called Shockwave, and it's that thing you're missing in your program. So it's designed to help everybody with shoulder pain, arm pain, elbow, wrist, hips, knees, feet, and everything in between. The secret is that it enhances natural healing by stimulating the metabolism to regenerate tissues, enhance blood flow, a network of blood vessels to allow the stem cells and platelets to migrate into that site and promote healing. Not only is it more effective than dangerous surgeries and the risk of medication, it's 91% effective in most cases, according to the research. And the best part is there's no downtime, there's no anesthesia, no side effects, just healing and recovery. We have determined that you are a candidate for this life-changing technology. Thank you for watching and listening, and pain relief is on the way. Now for you, the program for an existing patient works out to be, it's $114 a month for 1 year. And the way the plan plays out, it's 5 in a row. All right, we do them weekly, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then after week 5, we do another one 23 to 24 weeks later, and a final one 23 to 24 weeks after that. And you'll notice substantial improvements. So talk to the staff member and the team member, and they'll put that program together for you. Thanks for listening. Have a great one.